In your Replicazz kit you will receive body, cab, boom, arm, bucket, and tracks. I've already painted these parts, but you are able to purchase unpainted or painted just like this one. First up, we want to glue the cab to the body, so we'll just grab our cab, some super glue, run it along the edge here, make sure we get a decent amount on, then bring our body in, cab, stick it on, there we are. Next, we can attach the boom to the arm. So when we push them together, just make sure we push them in like that, not like that. Otherwise, the small clip on the end here may break off. So, there we go. Just like that. Then we can take the arm with the bucket here and just clip it into place as well. Next we bring our body back with the cab glued on and the arm, and just push it into this here. There we go. Now we can take our tracks and the rest of our digger, just push it into the hole here. This pin here goes into that hole there. There we go.